All right, everybody, I'm out here with the Flyster Sky Hunter. This may be the last flight. I'm just not sure, okay? So we're gonna take this baby off and see. I might have to send this to somebody. I don't know, man. I haven't flown it for 2 years, so it's just sitting around not getting used. So I'm gonna start some video and we're gonna take off. Now, I remember when I reviewed this, I gave it a bad review because of the battery life. I mean, it flies great. That wasn't the point, actually. The point wasn't the flying. The point was the battery life. There's a flip. Well, I didn't tell it to land. But anyway, yeah, as far as actually steering, you know, it's fine. It's the battery life that sucks on this thing. It's acting a little goofy today, but you know, it hasn't flown in years, so it's been hibernating. Seems to be a little twitchy in the third rate. Let me bring it down into the second rate here. Yeah, it's kind of flying like it did last time. You know, it flies okay. I mean, it's not the greatest thing in the world, but there's a little bit of a breeze that's blowing that way. That's why it's not going as fast. Coming back, you can see the tree right there. I'll put the rate up a little bit. How about a weaker's crash? Okay. It's just acting a little goofy. I gotta work the goofiness out of it, since it's been sitting for 2 years. But it'll be okay. Actually, the video's still running, so that's a plus. Let me reset the gyro. The wind is affecting it, so it's very light. You can see that those trees right there, that breeze is affecting it dramatically, just a little bit of wind. Doesn't seem like I'm losing any bind or anything. The leg is... I have a feeling this would be one of those suckers that would fly a lot better if you turn the Wi-Fi off. Something tells me that this thing, you should not use the video. Maybe I'll fly it one more time to test that. See, it just hits that little bit of breeze and just like stops dead in its tracks. See that? I got it full forward right there. And now it's actually going backwards. Okay. It can't take that, it can't fight that wind at all. Actually, it's pretty funny to watch that. It's still fighting it right there. Oh, call a doctor. Now it'll go the other way like crazy. Okay, it'll fly back the other direction like crazy. Don't crash, get back here. Damn you. So once the wind dies down a little here, it'll pick back up. That's pretty funny, actually. Get back up there. Is the battery dying or? I don't know, it's stuck. I'm stopping the video so I can have some. I don't know what the hell's going on with this thing. I think it's too windy for this thing, to be honest with you, because I remember it flying a lot better than this. Okay, this thing is actually a knockoff of a very expensive quadcopter. Actually, it's a, can't think of the name of it right off the top of my head, but I'll put it in there in the description. Let me see if I can still get it to take off. Nope, the battery's dead. And that was the big gripe about this thing. The battery's life sucks on it, so. Oh well. See you later, Flyster Sky Hunter.